Today, we are going to make some grass. No, I'm not in Colorado, so it's not going to be that kind of grass. It's our techniques that are so simple and sensible, your mothers would practically build themselves. This showed up today, and it's huge. Yeah, it's a big box. So we're going to open it up and take a look and see what's inside. So here's the one side of the box, and keep in mind I did get this with the Kate, but we'll do the Kate another week because it's a whole bunch of parts in and of itself. And my cost, I hate to tell you, was about 150 delivered. I did pre-order mine, so I'm seeing them right now going for a whole lot more money than that. All right, so let's try to look at the parts here for the flight deck. In no particular order, just the way I've got them here in the box right now. This is sprue D, and just got to make sure we're looking good there. Okay. Hatches look good. The rivet detail looks really good. Very nice. We got deck here. Let's look at the deck. So here's a section of the deck. And the tie downs are done in photo etch, giving you the opportunity to paint your deck first and then put those on. I don't know what these little things are. Don't know if they're supposed to be there. I'm assuming. But the wood grain on the deck looks amazing. So this is going to be a lot of fun. There's that one. And that one. And then this big one here. Oh, I am so anxious to get going on this. This is going to be a fun project. But it is going to take a while in looking at it, because there is a lot of plastic here. Okay. We'll save these parts for later. Oh, let's look at this. It's the top of the bridge. So, good rivet detail. Yeah, I mean, the detail on this looks great. Exciting. There is so much plastic here, guys. So this is sprue K, and it looks like there's 4 of these. Okay. Okay. Not sure what everything is, but we'll find out. But there's 4 of this sprue K. This is sprue J. And nice looking stairs. Wow, look at the detail. These portholes here. It looks great. Very, very nice. Very nice. So far, I'm very impressed with this. Here's sprue I. These stands here for, I'm assuming for binoculars, but they may be for machine guns. I'm not sure. Again, I haven't looked at the directions yet. Oh, machine gun right here. This is I as well, so you got 2 of these at least. Sprue I. Sprue F. More deck detail. Looks like part of the mast. Oh, the top of the mast right here. The little wind indicators and whatnot. These all look really good. And the lights. Very nice. Here's our clear sprue for the bridge. You've got windows, portholes, searchlight covers. Wow, looks nice. Gee. Oh, gee. It's very nice. Sprue H. Aha. I don't know what this is, but there you go. Good heavens, there's more deck. So this part. And these smaller parts of deck. And this one. Planking looks great. The wooden planking looks amazing. Part of the bridge. Some kind of, I forget what those are called. You yell down them. Okay. You still have more. By the way, here's your LED lights with a little micro switch. And these parts. This is going to take a bit to build for me. I'm excited though. And here we have this. Sprue A, it says. Just a lot of good detail on this. And finally, these two pieces. Okay, that's it for the plastic for just the bridge. We're going to review the Kate separately because it has a lot of plastic as well. And that's going to take a while to go through. So let's look at what do we got here next. Oh, lots of decals. I'm going to stop and pull these out. Okay, so here's our top of our tie downs for the deck. It's like a map. Some gauges, some gauge faces, and a few other things. And a couple of big big flag stripes. I'm assuming the stripes are for the flight deck. And a a bunch of signal flags. And then we've got some smaller flags. Neat. As well as these. So note to self, don't ever build on a card table. Wow. It was a lot more work than it should have been just to get that off there. Okay. Finally, the destructions. Oh, someone must be here. There's a little history of it. The attack on Pearl Harbor, Midway. Parts call out. And different assemblies of parts of the bridge. Machine gun, viewers. Another machine gun, making 2 machine guns. It looks a little intimidating for me, unfortunately. So it might be a while before I get to this. But no photo etch stairs, yay. Wiring up the lighting. That's neat. That's neat. Wow. This is something. I like this. And then putting the deck together. Oh, that's what these things are. They're the part that holds the deck together. That deck will be fun to paint. Honestly, that's probably where I'll start, is put the deck together and paint it, and then I'll build the bridge. I just know how I am. A lot of parts to build this. Jeez. Oh, okay. And then putting on your decals. More decal placement and, of course, painting. So, wow, this is pretty impressive. Now, I am going to give you my opinion of my big complaint about this kit. It's a beautiful kit. There's a lot of plastic here. There's a lot of detail here. There is one component that's missing, and it's almost like providing this beautiful this beautiful bridge without putting these. So the 72nd scale kit has these, but for whatever, and I will just say absolutely stupid reason, because I can't see any reason they wouldn't have included this in 35th scale. It would have just taken another sprue and it would have been said, done, and over with. So I'm not sure why Border did this boneheaded thing, because any pictures you see of the Akagi, you're going to need this. So building it without, it makes no sense to me. Good job on everything else, Border. They do offer some figures that you can get for them, which I will be doing, and it is going to be neat. But now I am going to have to make these out of milliput, because I'm not going to not have them. That's part of this is part of the ship. Why they didn't include it, I have no idea. So anyway, there you go. Well, thanks for joining us, folks, and we'll see you again soon for the Kate.